Hey, Amanda, do you remember me?
Yes.
Negative, but she is on something.
How much have you had to drink?
I drank a lot today.
Okay. Go back, go back, go back. Put your hands behind your back, all right? You're under arrest right now for OVI.
Why? Please don't do that to me.
In a quiet suburban area of Ohio, police received a suspicious call from a stranger reporting a vehicle parked on the side of the road behaving erratically. Initially, it was thought to be a routine safety check, but unexpectedly, it quickly escalated into a multi-criminal arrest. According to the initial call, a vehicle was moving erratically before stopping in the 237th arrondissement, with indications that the driver may have lost control. Upon arriving at the scene, police found a woman in her 30 seconds inside the vehicle.
1605 radio. The plate on the vehicle is John Frank Boy 7637.
What is wrong with
Can you repeat the numbers?
John Frank Boy 7637. Hey, what's going on? Are you injured?
you? No, I'm not fine. I'm nothing. Nothing's wrong. What is going on?
Okay.
Blue 1574
I didn't even
expires
call you.
11/27 of 22.
Where are you?
42-year-old female
I'm right
was
here
up with
by
West
my
Bagley and
house.
Salad.
Okay.
Right
No
around the
restrictions.
corner.
Okay.
Protection
It's
order.
fine.
That's it.
What is wrong? All I did was get a sandwich.
Okay, get a sandwich from where?
From Pickwick.
Bill 5, let me know if you need to step it up.
Negative, but she is on something.
That's 237 right there.
Squad's around.
It's 237 right there. I'm not fucked up at all.
Okay, what's this aluminum foil down here from? What's that from?
Oh, I don't know. I don't have a clue.
Okay.
Here, this is my sandwich. I just bought my
Okay, no, put your sandwich back in there. It's okay.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
Do you want to drive me home, please? I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, so where
It
did you
is
get...
too-
Hold on. Hey, Amanda, do you remember me?
Yes. Your
Okay.
name is Santiago.
Okay.
Yes.
So where did you get your
sandwich?
Thank you. Where did you get your sandwich from?
I got my sandwich at Pickwick.
From Pickwick?
Yes.
Okay, and where are you at right now?
And where I am at is off of 237.
Okay, so you're off at 237, and where do you live?
I live off of 237.
Okay, what's your address?
My address is on Front Street.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, and so where did you go today?
I didn't go anywhere today except for to go get a sandwich.
Okay, so that's somewhere that you went, right? Where did you go to get your sandwich from?
I just went to Pickwick to get my sandwich.
Okay, and then what happened after that?
I talked to my kids, I talked to my boyfriend, I talked to my mother, I talked to everybody. And I have my truck driving job that I'm getting back on Monday.
Okay, so how did...
Yes, Monday I have to drive with Dean in my truck to
Okay,
get my truck driving job back.
okay,
And I am scared and I am happy, but I'm still scared.
okay.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay, nobody said you're doing anything wrong. Did I say anything?
Who called you? Who called you?
I don't know who called, but do you have any idea why they would call?
No.
Okay.
The only reason why I would think is Mark is being an asshole. Mark has been an asshole for the last 3 days. I've been fighting with him for the last 3 days.
Okay.
I have been fighting with my boyfriend for the last 3 days.
Okay. But you think that that's
is
the
an
only
asshole.
reason? Do you think that's the only reason that somebody would call just for him?
What the hell is going on?
From the moment they approached her, the woman exhibited unusual behavior, slow reactions, rambling speech, and constant denials. Despite claiming to be perfectly sober and just bought a sandwich, her vacant stare and evasive speech immediately caught the attention of the authorities. Inconsistencies in her testimony began to surface as she repeatedly shifted the conversation to personal matters and boasted about her upcoming job as a driver instead of focusing on the police's questions.
Oh my God.
All right, do you have any weapons or anything on you? I want to get you checked out by the medics, okay? Hello.
I'm completely fine.
All right.
Here, I am completely fine. Here. I am completely fine. I just want to go home.
Well,
I want to go home.
are you injured?
No.
No?
I'm not injured. Nobody has hurt me. Nobody has done nothing. That belongs
Okay, hold
somewhere
on.
else.
Hold on. Listen.
No. The fire department and the ambulance belong somewhere else besides in my
Okay,
favor.
we want to check you out.
Yeah, we're just concerned about your safety.
You don't need to be concerned about my safety. I didn't do
Well,
anything.
that's our job.
All right.
How'd you wind up in this spot? Did you fall asleep?
I'm going to pat you down quick for weapons. Do you have anything on you?
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. Talk to this lieutenant here.
Nothing on me. You know me better than that.
Have you had anything to drink today?
What?
How much have you had to drink?
I drank a lot today.
Okay. Anything
I'm
else?
not gonna lie.
All right. Well, appreciate you being honest.
I am completely honest.
Good. We
I
appreciate
lost my fucking goddamn job, and then I fucking got a good job, and I was happy. So then I celebrated being happy. So what?
Anything else besides alcohol today? Did you hit your head or anything?
Honey, I don't do drugs.
All right.
I don't do any goddamn
your
drugs.
seatbelt?
Do you want my fucking arm?
Were you wearing your seatbelt?
What do you mean?
Seatbelt.
I always wear my seatbelt.
Okay,
I'm a Class A CDL truck driver. I always wear my seatbelt.
Her speech was unclear and incoherent. Her reactions were slow and unfocused. Her emotions fluctuated erratically, along with inconsistent awareness, responses, and even unreasonable demands. All of these indicated she was severely intoxicated. However, to establish a clear and objective basis for any legal conclusions, the police decided to conduct standard sobriety tests to accurately determine her condition.
Why don't you come to the back of the squad? Let's check you out. Take your blood pressure really quick. Make sure it's okay. Check your blood sugar. Everything's okay. You know.
Don't let them take me to jail, please.
We're not police. We don't take people to jail.
That's them to check you to see if there's anything wrong with you.
There's nothing wrong with me. I
Well,
swear
we
to
just
God.
check your blood pressure. make
Okay,
sure-
I'm being honest, and I am being honest with you guys. I am fine.
Can we check your blood pressure?
Yes,
Okay.
you can do whatever you want.
Come in the ambulance. We'll do it. We're not going to take you anywhere.
It's fine. It's fine.
All right.
You can take me in the ambulance. No.
All right. Nope.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Just making sure you don't slip.
I said thank you.
Thanks.
I'm just tired.
We're just going to help you. Well, hold on. Yeah, but these are big
I
steps.
said I'm completely
I know.
fine.
Well,
I'm completely fine.
All right.
So what do you guys do?
Why don't you come over here and talk to us to get out of this mud and all this and get out of their way? Did you hit your head on the windshield or?
No. My windshield has been cracked for almost 3 years.
Okay.
Since I bought the car.
Were you injured at all?
No.
Any recent injuries?
I have no problems.
Okay, no recent leg injuries or anything
No.
like that? Okay.
I just wanted to go to the store and get cigarettes.
Okay, all right.
I swear to God, I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, you're okay. Do you wear contacts or anything like that? Contacts or glasses? No. Okay.
Please do not.
Well,
Please do not. Please do not do anything against my truck driving. I get it back.
Well, we gotta
on
make
Monday
sure you're okay to drive.
morning. No. If you
All
don't
right.
want me to drive, fine. My car can sit here and you can drive me into my home.
Okay.
That's
Well-
fine. That's fine. Because guess what? I have an amazing truck driving job that's going to pay me $38 an hour.
I mean, that's awesome, but at the same time, we gotta do our job, okay?
Okay, so do your job.
All right.
Drive me home.
Have you said you've been drinking today? Is that correct?
I did drink
All right.
earlier.
All right.
I'm not driving this far.
Yeah, we know that now.
It's not happening.
Okay. Do you know how to count?
Do I what?
Do you know how to count numbers?
No.
You don't know how to count numbers?
Yeah, I know how to count numbers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you able to count backwards from 53 to 38 for me?
50 what?
From 53 to 38. Can you do that for me?
53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 47, 6, 45. Do you want me to keep going?
Yeah, down,
Really?
down to 38, please.
No. Why don't you just drive me home?
Okay.
And leave my car here.
Do you know the alphabet by chance?
The alphabet?
Yeah.
Yeah, A, B, C, D,
Hold on, hold
A,
on,
F,
hold on.
G.
Can you start with the D as in dog and go to B as in Victor for me?
Yes. D is in dog and go to Victor.
Huh?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Hey, let's actually
here,
have
don't.
a...
Just keep your distance, all right?
No.
All right. So you said no reason to have...
I'm really unhappy that somebody did this to me.
What do you mean someone did this to you?
Somebody called.
Well, yeah, because look where your car is.
I know
All right,
where my car is.
so
I
this-
called myself.
Okay.
I called her.
Okay. Well,
Ask
this
her.
officer is going to run you through what we call the standardized field sobriety test. All right. She's got a couple things for you to do.
Please don't do that.
No. I mean,
Don't
we
do
have to.
that to me because
Listen.
I will lose my
Okay,
Class
listen.
A CDL
She's-
and my fucking truck driver's license.
She's going to explain them to you. Okay.
Please don't do that. My fucking driving.
Okay. You said no recent head injuries, no leg injuries, no glasses, or no
No, but
contact.
Monday is my fucking new truck driving
Okay.
job. I will fail that. You know I will fail that. It's a zero. It's
She's
zero.
going to run you
It's a
through the
zero
SFSTs.
tolerance.
Listen.
It's a zero tolerance.
Stop for a second. She's going to run you through the SFSTs, okay? She's going to check your eyes, do one leg stand, walk and turn, okay? And we'll go from there, all right? If there's clues of impairment.
It's a zero tolerance. You know that it's a zero tolerance.
So. Do you want to run it
Don't
through?
do that,
I'm going to have
please.
to get my cheat sheet to go.
Please don't do
All right.
it.
Can you
Please don't do it.
just stand there with your hands at your side, okay? Can you see the tip of my pen?
Yep.
All right, no problem seeing that?
Nope.
All right, just follow with your eyes and your eyes only, all right? Don't move your head, okay?
Okay.
Did you have any problem seeing that at all?
Nope.
All right, you're doing good. Just keep doing it, okay?
Okay.
All right, you right there?
Yep.
Don't move, okay? Just eyes and eyes only, okay?
Thank you.
Don't move your head, okay? Did you have any problem seeing it that time?
Nope.
All right, very good. Thank you. All right, just keep doing it, okay? We'll get through it real quick. Then we'll move on, okay? Right there. Stop moving on me, all right?
No, you're fine.
Good there?
You're fine.
All right, ready?
Yep. Go ahead.
All right, good. Don't move your head, okay? There you go. Good. Watch the tip, okay? Doing good.
It's right there.
Yeah, you don't have to touch it. Just keep watching, okay?
Honey, I know where it's at.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Don't move your head, okay? You looking at the tip? You're looking forward. You're looking
I
at
already
me.
know.
You gotta look at it, okay?
I already know it's on the left, and I'm looking at you.
You gotta look at the tip, though, not me.
I'm looking at the tip, but I'm also looking
Look at the tip of the pen, okay? I'm holding it with my finger.
Look at both of them.
All right, just keep looking at this, okay?
All right.
You're looking at me again. All right, tip of the pen, okay? Follow with your eyes. Your eyes aren't even moving.
I will
Look.
look at both of them.
You have to do what I'm telling
I'm
you, okay?
allowed to look at both of them.
You're allowed to do whatever you want. You're allowed to
The
refuse
reason
this,
why
too.
I'm telling you I'm allowed to look at both of them is I'm a truck driver. I have to look at
Okay.
everything around
Okay,
me.
that's not the point right now. The point is watch the tip of my pen only, okay? Here, we got to finish, okay?
All right. Hi.
Don't move your head, just eyes, okay? Ready?
Yep.
You're not moving. You're not following. Look, not going up,
I already
down,
looked
anywhere.
over it. He went to the left. He went to the right, actually.
Are you going to follow the tip of my pen, or are you going
All
to keep
right,
doing
fine.
this?
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Just do what I'm asking, and we'll get through it, okay? So here.
You're telling me to look at something, and I'm looking at it, and you're getting mad at
No,
me.
you're not. You're looking at me. Just follow the tip, okay? Eyes
right,
only, all right?
fine.
Here we go.
All right,
Ready?
good. Go.
Not your head, okay? Just keep your head straight. You're doing good. Eyes only, all right? All right, still watching? Not your head, okay? Keep your head straight. You're fine.
I'm sorry.
You're fine. Here.
Did I move my head?
I had to finish. All right, now this one's going to be vertical, okay?
No problem.
Just keep your head straight and eyes
No
up,
problem.
okay?
Yep.
All right, one more time. We're going back up. Keep your head straight, okay? Okay. All right, next thing, why don't you stand right over there for me, okay? I'll stand over here.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
All right, you can stand with both feet together. All right, hands at your side.
I'm not going to be able to do that.
Do you want me to explain it?
What are you going to tell me to do?
So one leg stand.
1608 also.
No problem.
I'm
miss.
not going to be able to do that.
Okay,
I'm fucking so tired. I
right, so-
fucking worked 70 hours in the last week. I'm tired. Tell me to lift up my right leg and all this bullshit.
Okay, do you want me to explain it then? All right, feet together, hands at your side. When I tell you to begin, you can pick up 1 foot. All right, either foot. It can be left one or right one. You're going to pick it up approximately 6 inches off the ground. Keep it parallel to the ground. Look at your toe and count out loud, okay? Count like 1001, 1002, 1003. All right, so
I
you,
can't do it.
all
Why
right.
are you making me
What,
do this?
what about the walk and turn? Amanda, what about the walk and turn?
Walk and turn?
You want to try that one?
What is that?
All right. So why don't you go over there? Just stand right there, okay?
Okay.
Here, we can even use this crack.
Please, I'm so
Here, stand there.
tired.
Just stand over there for me real quick.
Hey, I'm getting yelled at for being
No
tired.
one's yelling at you. All right, just relax for a second. All right, so put your left foot on the line.
Okay.
All right, put your right foot directly in front of it, heel to toe fashion, like this. Keep your hands at your side. Oh, go back, go back, go back, go back.
You
go
don't
back,
want me
go
to
back,
walk
go
and
back.
turn?
During the tests, everything quickly revealed the woman's true state. She was constantly distracted and completely failed to follow even the simplest instructions. The mistakes were repeated systematically, from being unable to keep her head still to focus her gaze, to staggering and losing balance while trying to walk in a straight line. As time went on, her lack of body control became increasingly apparent, making the outcome of the test almost predetermined. Recognizing the serious traffic safety risk, the police officially decided to arrest her on charges of OVI, DUI.
Okay, all right. Put your hands behind your back, all right? You're under arrest right now for OVI.
Why?
Why?
Why? Why did you do that?
That's the decision I made based on
No,
the things
please,
that I saw.
please, please,
Stop.
please, don't do that.
That's not gonna change
Please
anything.
don't do that.
Just forget
Please don't do that. Please don't do that to me.
Stand up.
No, it's my life. Please,
All right, you double lock.
please, you unlock me and I will do it again. I will do
She's
it
good.
again
Okay.
for you.
All right. Watch your step. Come on.
Put her in my car.
Oh, wait, radio.
Oh my God, please don't do this to me.
Owner's in custody for OVI. You set a report number. I'll send over her CCH, her printout, please. Yeah, her printout as well.
This is my life. This is my life. You're ruining my life. I fucking just got it back. What the hell's wrong with you?
Yeah, I do.
Following the incident, the woman was arrested at the scene and taken to the police station for legal processing. A series of missteps in a short period led to unavoidable consequences, directly impacting her future and the career she had hoped for. What are your thoughts on this incident? Please leave your comments below.